Thought you were done? Think again. Writing is rewriting. You can always make things a little better. There's a saying that good publications are never finished. You just run out of time. Few stories are ever written perfectly in their first draft. Most require rethinking, restructuring, and rewording. Your story is good. Now make it better. Here are 5 reasons to hit the delete key. You want to avoid passive verbs. Start sentences with their subject. Lightning struck the person, not the person was struck by lightning. Replace to be with a stronger verb. See the Using Strong Verbs handout for more. Don't be redundant. Avoid unnecessary modifiers. It's not a personal opinion. It's just an opinion. The personal is implied. Cut out wordy sentences. Again, a story isn't a term paper that needs to be a specific number of pages. Never use 5 words when 3 will do. Don't use jargon and journalese that your readers might not understand. Now, jargon is a language spoken by bureaucrats, or a language that is recognizable to a certain profession, but not to the general public. Jargon excludes people from understanding it, so you want to avoid it. Journalese is journalistic jargon. Omit it. Now, you already know not to end a story with a cliche. Well, don't put one in the middle or beginning of the story either.